Hello friend, today I will introduce you how to fix this Bluetooth speaker. And screw this hose, you can switch this place and you can open this. And if your charge cannot charge it and have a high temper, you can check this way. If they connect together, maybe your charge is unavailable. And your speaker, if have no sounds or no speaker function, you can change this place. The wire is too less and the connection may be loose, and you fix it, and then you can close it and switch. And now let's fix it and screw this. It's okay.